Today, in a very crowded job market, we firmly believe in the importance for candidates to stand out through a powerful story. So the moment they pitch themselves and go through an interview, they are memorable, they actually leave a mark. And this is why, as we prepare the Open Day with ESCP Business School, we joined forces. I am a former headhunter and I'm collaborating with a professional movie maker to come up with a different, unique learning experience where we equip students with new skills regarding storytelling and pitching.
We gave today some little secrets of how to structure a pitch and using dramaturgy. How you tell a story in a movie, well, we applied it to your pitch so that in 2 minutes you will have a context, a trigger, a journey and a grand finale.
At Google, we have the privilege of working very closely with ESCP in open days, consultancy projects and classes to bring the real-life challenges and priorities of companies to the school.
I found the entire experience really useful and especially the masterclass really interesting and very unique and really helpful for my future endeavors.
I found this experience of ESCP Madrid campus really useful for everyone, for the students and the parents. It was so great, everyone was so kind and I recommend it and thank you.
I found the experience really enriching and really inspiring and I got to learn a lot of new things about ESCP and the business world in general. So thank you for the experience.